The Meghalaya State Mahila Congress, under the chairmanship of its president, JOPLYN SHYLLA, had celebrated Gandhi Jayanti at the Congress BHAVAN in Shillong on the 2nd of October 2021. Those present were the General Secretary of the State Mahila Congress, WANDA PASWER, President of the Shillong City Mahila Congress, MEBAAILANG KHARKONGOR, presidents and members of different districts, blocks and units of the Mahila Congress, besides others. Speaking on the occasion, the President of the State Mahila Congress, JOPLYN SHYLLA, reiterated the fact that women or Mahilas are the backbone of the Congress party, and as advocates of peace and unity, they should follow Gandhiji's teachings of peace and non-violence as they serve the people and the state.